Hello, welcome to a new Poppy Playtime video. Today we'll see how to download and play it. In this video, I'll show you how to find the official version, how to install it on your mobile device, what you need before downloading it, and what to do if the game doesn't appear or doesn't work correctly. I'll also show you how to avoid fake APKs and suspicious websites that claim to offer the game. And make sure you stay until the middle of the video, because that's when I'll show you where to find the official links. So, let's get started. If you're a fan of Poppy Playtime, you probably already know that the series is one of the most popular horror franchises in gaming. The games take place inside the mysterious Playtime company factory, where something has gone terribly wrong. You explore abandoned areas, solve puzzles, discover hidden secrets, and try to survive encounters with strange and dangerous creatures. Chapter 0 is designed to give players more information about the world and the events surrounding the factory. Depending on the version and platform you're using, the exact availability and requirements can be different. That's why it's important to verify the official information before downloading anything. If you're looking for the mobile version, you should always make sure you're getting the legitimate release and not a modified copy uploaded by an unknown website. The goal of this video is to make that process as simple as possible. Before installing Poppy Playtime Chapter 0 mobile, there are several things you should check. First, make sure your device is compatible. Poppy Playtime uses 3D environments, lighting effects, animations, sound effects, and other features that can require more resources than a simple mobile game. If you're using an older phone, you should check the official requirements before trying to install it. Second, make sure you have enough free storage. Don't only consider the size of the download. You should also leave additional space available for installation and temporary files. Third, make sure your operating system is updated. An outdated operating system can sometimes cause crashes, compatibility problems, or installation errors. And finally, use a stable internet connection. A Wi-Fi connection is recommended if the game is large, because an interrupted download can cause problems during installation. Now let's talk about something extremely important. If you search for Poppy Playtime Chapter 0 mobile online, you may find websites offering APK, files, mod APKs, unlocked versions, free versions, or downloads with strange instructions. Not every website that uses the Poppy Playtime name or logo is official. Some websites may copy the game's images and descriptions to make their downloads look legitimate. Before installing anything, verify the source. Look for official information from the game's developer or publisher. If a website asks you to install another unknown application first, complete suspicious surveys, enter your password, or disable your phone security features, don't continue. You don't need to do any of those things to install a legitimate game. Always prioritize official sources. And if you're not sure whether a file is legitimate, don't install it. And now we get to one of the most important parts of this video. If you're looking for the official Poppy Playtime Chapter 0 mobile links, I've placed the official links in the comments of this video. Yes, the official links are in the comments. This means you don't have to search through dozens of random websites trying to figure out which download is real. Simply go to the comments and look for the official links. Before downloading anything, verify where the link takes you. Make sure you're using an official source. Don't download a random APK just because the title says Poppy Playtime Chapter 0 mobile. There are many fake downloads online. So remember, the official links are in the comments. If you're ready to install the game, pause the video if necessary, and check the comments. Once you found the official mobile version, the installation process should be straightforward. First, open the official download page, check the game information, and make sure your device meets the requirements. Then select the official installation or download option. Wait for the download to finish completely. Don't close the process while the game is downloading. Once the download is finished, follow the installation instructions provided by the official source. If your device asks for permission to install something from an unknown source, stop and verify that you're actually using an official installation method. You should never enable security permissions simply because a random website tells you to. After installation is complete, launch the game. The first launch may take longer than normal because the game needs to load its resources. So don't worry if you see a loading screen for a little while. When you open Poppy Playtime Chapter 0 for the first time, take a moment to check the settings. Look at the graphics options if they're available. If your phone is powerful enough, you can use the recommended settings. But if you're experiencing lag or frame drops, lower the graphics quality. You can also reduce other visual settings if the game provides those options. Next, check the controls. Because you're playing on a touchscreen, you'll need some time to get used to movement and interaction. Take a few minutes to understand how the controls work. Once you're comfortable, you're ready to begin exploring. And remember, this isn't a game where you should rush through every area. Pay attention to your surroundings. Poppy Playtime is based heavily on exploration and puzzles. When you're inside the factory, look around carefully. Check doors. Look for objects that can be interacted with. Pay attention to sounds, and look for clues that might help you understand what to do next. Sometimes the solution to a puzzle isn't directly in front of you. You may need to explore another room first. You may need to activate something, or you may need to use an object in a completely different area. The game rewards players who pay attention, and because this is a horror game, don't expect everything to be safe. You may encounter enemies when you least expect them. So listen carefully, and be prepared to react quickly. If the game is running slowly on your phone, there are several things you can try. First, close applications running in the background. This can free up memory and processing resources. Second, restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can solve temporary performance problems. Third, make sure your phone isn't overheating. When a phone gets too hot, it may automatically reduce performance. Fourth, make sure you have enough free storage. And finally, check for game and system updates. If your device is below the official requirements, don't expect a modified APK to magically solve the problem. Unofficial versions can actually create more crashes and compatibility issues. The safest approach is to use the official version on a supported device. Before we continue, there's something very important you should know. When searching for Poppy Playtime Chapter 0 mobile, you may see websites offering MAOD APK, unlimited items, fully unlocked, free premium, unlimited resources. Be extremely careful with these files. A modified APK isn't the same thing as an official release. It may have been altered by someone you don't know. It could be outdated. It could stop working after an update. And in some cases, downloading files from unknown websites can expose your device to unwanted software. Never enter your personal passwords on suspicious websites. Never disable security features just to install a file. And never download an unknown application simply because a website promises a free version. Use the official links instead. Remember, the official links are in the comments. So let's quickly recap everything. Number 1. Check if your device is compatible. Number 2. Make sure you have enough free storage. Number 3. Use a stable internet connection. Number 4. Find the official version. Number 5. Avoid suspicious APKs and modified downloads. Number 6. Install the game using the official method. And number 7. If you're having performance problems, lower the graphics settings and close applications running in the background. Following these steps should give you a much safer and smoother experience. And once you're inside the game, take your time exploring. Look for clues, solve the puzzles, listen for sounds, and be ready for whatever is waiting inside the factory. And that's how you can install and play Poppy Playtime Chapter 0 mobile. We cover how to find the official version, what you need before installing it, how to install the game, how to improve performance, and how to avoid fake downloads. And remember, the official links are in the comments. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more mobile gaming tutorials, horror game guides, updates, and installation tutorials. Subscribe and like if this was helpful. See you in the next video. Goodbye.